Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be answering the question, does Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus have reverse wireless charging? Let's begin. And the answer to that is yes. However, it is not called like that. That is not what you want. It is not called wireless power sharing. It is not called wireless charging, but it is called, as you can see, wireless power sharing. And we have this very handy option here. If for some reason it doesn't work for you, it may be because it is simply disabled. So all you have to do is just enable it, and now you can see that it is indeed ready to charge. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.